Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance, or YFI. YFI is currently at the $7,220 level, right? So a few days ago, right here on the channel, we made a series right here showing that this changes everything, right? The name of that series was basically this changes everything, and we were saying basically right here that prepare for a massive move to the upside for a lot of coins, including YFI, as you can see 3 days ago. And since then, we have seen that massive push to the upside right here. Our YFI is up around 4% in the last 24 hours, right? So we are going to see what is next right here for our YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. YFI is currently ranked at 249 with a market cap of about $241 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $28 million. Today, we are going to be looking at what is the price action and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So on the based on that video that we're saying inflation is cooling down right here in the United States, as the numbers right here for the April in inflation numbers just came out, and we were saying the numbers are basically 3.4%, showing that that is a cooling off or a reduction right here in the inflation in the United States. And because of those numbers, we saw a massive push to the downside right here for the DXY. And that basically means one thing. It basically means this is very bullish for risk assets, including all cryptocurrencies right here. So we have begun this downtrend right here for the US dollar index. We're seeing we are expecting even more downside even to this 102 region for the US dollar index, which basically means we should be expecting furthermore upside for risk assets such as YFI. And we were saying, or we were looking at this sort of resistance based on this trend line that was in for YFI. So YFI was being resisted right here by this trend line, and we have just broken the trend line, and we said expect this sort of push right here to retest the yearly highs of around 10,700, right? So we said this was a very good point to accumulate, as we are about to see another massive move to the upside, which we have just seen. Another reason we were massively bullish basically right here is the volume profile. The volume profile was showing massive bullish divergences. As you can see, the last time we had this sort of bullish divergence, we moved from 7,200 right down to the $10,000 to $11,000 level. So we were seeing the same type of structure forming. Expect a massive push to the upside, which we are currently seeing at the moment. So we continue to remain bullish right here on YFI, expecting higher price target, probably a new yearly high right here of around the $10,700 level. So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.